I tried making $1,000 with AI in 24 hours, beginner method. Hook. I gave myself 24 hours to make money using AI. No experience, no money, just AI tools. Hook continued. My goal was simple. Make at least $100 in one day. Here's exactly what happened. Idea. First, I needed a simple idea. Something beginners can copy. So I chose this. Selling AI-generated thumbnails. Why this YouTube creators always need thumbnails. And most of them are willing to pay. That means opportunity. Tools I used: simple tools, ChatGPT for ideas, and Canva to create thumbnails. That's it. Step 1. I asked ChatGPT, give me viral YouTube thumbnail ideas. Within seconds, I had multiple concepts. Step 2. Then I went to Canva. I picked a clean template, started designing. Creation. I made 5 thumbnails in less than 1 hour. Bright colors, big text, clear emotions. Platform. Next step, selling. I posted my service on Fiverr. Title: I will create viral AI thumbnails for your videos. Wait, now I had to wait. At first, nothing happened. Tension. After a few hours, still no orders. I almost gave up. Turning point. Then something changed. I optimized my gig title, added better examples, and lowered my price. Result. And finally, I got my first order. Proof. Then another one. By the end of the day, I made $137. Lesson. Here's the lesson. You don't need money to start. You don't need skills. You just need AI and action. CTA. If you want more ways to make money with AI, subscribe now. And I'll show you step by step.